Hi, it's Jonathan from George Group. Electric curtains are becoming popular for various reasons, and one of them is they add more value to your home. Hi, here's an example of an electric curtain with multiple functions. This curtain can be raised up and also lowered down by using the motor. We can also open these curtains using the motor or manually. I will now demonstrate to you how we can use these curtains using the motor and also manually. With our hands, they can open just like that. Then secondly, we're going to use the motor. By using the remote, they can close. I will now talk about the motors. In this case, we have two motors. So the first motor is powering the opening and the closing. And the second motor can be used for your lace. So this depends on you. If you want to use the curtains without the lace, then you need one motor. If you want to use the curtains and the lace, you'll need two motors. The other function works by raising the curtains high and also lowering them down. This works best for cases where we have the window that is mounted on top and we need to use these curtains that are long. I will now be demonstrating that. We can raise the curtains by using the remote. Then we can also lower them by pressing the remote. One of the advantages of electric curtains is they're very convenient when it comes to the blind and also the disabled. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more knowledge about beauty material. That's it for today. Bye-bye.